Hi everyone, and welcome back to another bullet journal setup video. This is for the month of June, and I can't believe how quickly we are getting through this year, but here we are. And I must apologize because I've lost the first 30 seconds of footage, I think it was. I'm having some major issues with my memory card, but anyway, I chose for this month to do something a little bit different. As you've seen in my previous videos, I've been doing quite a lot of minimal layouts, and while that's all fun and I think it really suits where I am in regards of planning at the moment, I wanted to have a bit more fun with design and decoration and just kind of having a bit more of a theme, I guess. So as always, I'm using my Unipin pens to outline and draw and sketch, as well as two different coloured Tombow dual brush markers. One of those is the N65 shade, and the other one I'm not sure because my daughter's crawled away with it and she's taken off with it somewhere. I'll have to put that into the description box for later. For this page, I just wanted to have a simple illustration with a little monthly calendar at the bottom, and it ended up being one of my favorite pages. I will go ahead and do a flip through of the entire setup at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I probably got a little bit carried away with shading and detailing. I'm a creature of old habits, I think. I hope everyone has had a wonderful May and you've all reached your goals and aspirations that you set for yourself at the beginning of the month. I know I have. I have reached about 3,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and I've surpassed 4,000 followers on Instagram. So of course I'm really grateful and so thankful for anyone who has subscribed and or followed. Of course, I will leave my social media links down below so you can jump on that if you haven't already. This is a different habit tracker to what I have been using normally. It took a little bit of extra time to write out all of the numbers, and if you have a keen eye, you might be able to spot one of the mistakes. I am not really so fussed by such a small mistake. I think trying to cross it out or cover it up would actually draw more attention to it, so I just let it be. The sleep tracker is something that I am such a fan of using in my bullet journal. Again, I've tried to do something really different this month where I'm also incorporating a section for ratings. I've found that sometimes, despite getting 8, 9, sometimes 10 hours worth of sleep, I might actually still wake up not very well rested. So I think it's really important to kind of jot down the quality of sleep that you're getting. One of the things that I've sort of battled with in the month of May was this chronic fatigue that I was feeling every day. I could barely keep my eyes open. I was getting lots of head spins, lots of headaches. I've been in and out of the doctors and getting blood tests and all sorts of things. And as suspected, because I have had this before, especially in high school, I was very low on my iron levels, which being a female is not something completely unheard of. But yeah, enough about my medical updates. I'm pretty sure you are not really fussed either way. If you are, that's nice. Thanks for caring. So here we're doing a monthly calendar, and underneath I've got 3 separate columns for updates because obviously the squares in the calendar are pretty small but very cute. Alright, we are almost finished. We are on the home stretch here. This is the first week of June, which technically is a half week. I start my weeks on Mondays. Let me know in the comment section down below if you are a Sunday or a Monday starter. You'll see on the other side of the spread, the right hand page, I've decided to add in something that has been working for me, and basically I jot down any notes for the coming week and also end of week notes, something that I've learnt, something that I should improve on, and basically it's a good catch-all area every week, and there's no nasty surprises for when I'm about to turn the page onto the new week, so I can always feel prepared. Adding a little beehive and a cute little buzzing bee, and yeah, I'm really happy with the spread. Alright, I will leave you guys now with a quick flip through of the entire setup, and yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. So if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel, like this video if you vibe with it, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what you think and what your theme for June is, because I would love to get some ideas for July. Alright, thanks so much. Bye bye.